In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive 2026 Full Guide. Before we dive in, a quick note on context. You'll need access to Pipedrive with the campaigns feature enabled and permission to send marketing emails from your domain. That ensures everything you set up here is deliverable and compliant. With that in place, let's get started. Begin by opening Pipedrive and heading to the left-hand panel. Look for the Campaigns area. This is your home base for all marketing outreach inside Pipedrive, and it's where you'll create the emails that will power your drip sequence. Once you're in Campaigns, choose Automated Campaigns. This section is designed for sequences that run on autopilot, so each email is sent at the right time based on your rules, without manual effort. Think of it as the brain of your drip system, where structure and timing come together. Inside Automated Campaigns, select Campaign. This is where you define the specific email that will live inside your automation. Even though you're building a drip, each message is created and managed as a campaign, which keeps everything consistent and reportable. Give your campaign a clear, internal title. Use a naming pattern that makes sense for your team, such as lifecycle stage, audience, and version. For example, something like Onboarding New Leads, Day 1, V1. A good title won't be visible to recipients, but it will save you time later when you're tracking performance or updating a sequence. Next, enter the email subject line. Aim for clarity over cleverness. Short, specific subjects typically perform best, and you can boost relevance with dynamic tokens like a recipient's first name if your account supports personalization. Avoid spammy phrasing or excessive punctuation, and make sure the subject aligns tightly with the promise of your content to build trust. Now select your email content. You can choose a template that matches your goal or start from a clean layout and add your own copy and visuals. Keep your message focused on one primary call to action, use scannable paragraphs, and ensure your design is mobile-friendly. If personalization fields are available, use them thoughtfully to tailor the message without overdoing it. When everything looks good, click Mark as ready. This status tells Pipedrive the campaign is complete and eligible to be placed into your automated flow. It also helps teams avoid accidental edits and keeps your workflow clean. That's it. You've created a polished email ready for your automated drip. In your next steps, you can assemble the full sequence, add timing rules, and launch with confidence.